Did you know the Soviet Union once bombed its own warship to stop one man from giving a speech? In November 1975, a political officer named Valery Sablin locked his captain below deck and took control of a nuclear-capable frigate called the Storozhevoy. He wasn't defecting. He wasn't selling secrets. He wanted to sail to Leningrad and broadcast a live address calling for reform. The Soviet government scrambled the entire Baltic fleet and ordered the ship destroyed before it reached open water. They were more afraid of his words than of losing the ship. That tells you everything.